From the grand stage of China's biggest television event to the high-tech factories of tomorrow, humanoid robots are making their mark. But here's the twist: these robots aren't just showstoppers. They're the next big venture for China's electric vehicle giants. Why are EV companies pivoting to robotics? Let's dive in. Segment 1. The EV to robot connection. China's EV sector has been booming, with over half of all cars sold in 2024 being electric or hybrid. But competition is fierce, and profit margins are shrinking. To survive and thrive, EV companies are leveraging their cutting-edge technology and robust supply chains to enter the world of humanoid robotics. Segment 2. Who's leading the charge? Meet the key players in this robotic revolution. XPeng's Iron Robot, GAC's GoMate, and NIO's UBTech partnership are just a few examples of how China's EV industry is shaping the future of humanoid robotics. These companies are bringing their expertise in sensors, AI, and battery technology to create robots that are efficient, intelligent, and built for industrial use. Segment 3. The technology overlap. So, how does making EVs translate into making robots? Both fields rely on similar tech: environmental perception, AI-driven movement, and powerful battery systems. LiDAR and depth cameras used in autonomous driving are now guiding robots in factories, while EV battery packs power robots for long hours on the production floor. It's a perfect synergy. Segment 4. China's supply chain advantage. China already dominates the global supply chain for EV components, and now it's using that advantage to build humanoid robots at a lower cost than competitors. A prime example? The Unitree H1, priced at just $90,000, less than half the cost of comparable Western models. Segment 5. Government backing and future potential. The Chinese government is doubling down on automation, with initiatives like the Robotics/1 Action Plan and R&D subsidies covering up to 30% of costs. With policy support and industry momentum, the humanoid robotics sector is set to explode, just like the EV market did a decade ago. Segment 6. Challenges and global competition. Despite rapid progress, China's humanoid robotics industry still faces challenges. AI, chip development, and advanced control software remain areas where international companies like NVIDIA and Qualcomm hold a strong lead. Overcoming these obstacles will be crucial for China to dominate the global robotics market. Segment 7. What's next? With deep pockets, technological expertise, and government support, China's EV giants are on track to revolutionize the humanoid robotics industry. The question is, how soon will we see these robots beyond the factories, in our daily lives? The future is coming faster than we think. What do you think? Will humanoid robots become as common as electric cars? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on tech's biggest trends